Okay, so luto mi karon og kaning si tawag ni bulalo. Og kaning siya deer. It's deer meat. And ako nagluto ani.
Babe, pagpalit sa Coke, please.
Oy.
Okay, so magpalit kog Coke. Yan ang weather. Nag-snow sa gawas.
Na, get ready with me.
Okay, so mag-ready ta karon. Ingani, magpalit lag Coke. Ingani among pag-prepare. Tanawa. Okay, Google. What's the temperature right now?
The temperature in St. John right now is 1 degree. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's -4.
Okay guys, so it's -4 right now and I need to go out to buy Coke. Bani ko ninyo mag-prepare sa akong suoton para magpalit lang og Coke. And next is jacket. Actually, usually I wear some kanang mas baga pa nga sa inani. But since diha raman jud sa unahan like 2 blocks away, then I will just this should be fine. Jacket. Then earmuffs. And then gloves. Then kani outer coat. Oh, I forgot my medyas. Since just 2 blocks away, like 3 or 5 minutes walk outside lang. Kanina nipis ng medyas ako malito. And lastly, boots. Because slide kayo ang snow, kinahanglan kag shoes nga kanang mo grip gyud sa ice. Kani siya nga shoes niya, waterproof pod. So mo niya akong gamitan. Magpalit lang ko. Uy, hapit na lak. Okay, so madto na ako sa gawas. Magpalit lang og Coke and kita niya ang get up like outer jacket, gloves, earmuff, coat, and pants that I have to wear, boots.
Oh my gosh.
Because of this weather. So that's where I'm going to, right there, that's where I'm going to walk all the way up. And I have to walk through these ice. Gana kay ligid. So you see, it's so white all over the place. Okay. It's hard to walk on ice, especially if you don't have snow boots, because kanang medyo sa slide, and I'm sure you can hear that sound. Apologize for that, but there's nothing I can do about it. It's just the sound of the ice when you're walking. So yeah, ngani ka hassle mag-prepare kung mugawas ka bisag dool lang. Like if without the snow, I will be in the convenience store for in less than 5 minutes, but because of the snow, as you can see, it would take me around 10 minutes probably, you can't walk really fast with this type of ice because it's so slippery. And wala ni sa atawa sa Cebu, sa Cagayan. So this is really new to me. When I got here sa Canada, nag-snow na, but it was about the end of winter, tail na sa winter, and the spring was about to start. So ilan ang mga ices makita nimo naana sa mga kilid. But this time, kanang the winter is just about to start. So ingani kap white tanan. And winter boots here is like really a need. I can't imagine myself like walking to this mga ingani without the winter boots. So yeah, I'll talk to you in a few seconds. And kita mo na, that would be the common scene here, where people will be shoveling snow. So guys, I got the Coke. Nagipapalit ni Mipo. And time to walk back to the apartment. So another snow adventure. Medyo there's a little bit of kanang rain, so I will just have to end this. I mean, I'm just going to talk to you in a few minutes. I'm just going to keep the camera kay murag mabasa. And talk to you in a few minutes. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm back at the apartment, and ang akong giluto na deer. Akong giluto nga deer na hubsan na. Adding some water on it. Okay, so hi guys, I'm just finished cooking, and I think that's it for today's vlog, and thank you so much to everyone who subscribed, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below on whatever video you would like me to do in the next vlog, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.